Are you ready to escape the matrix, live life on your terms, and create your life by design? Then today I'm going to share with you the number one thing that you need to do that will change everything for you and stop you being at the mercy of the matrix. So if you are aware that there is a matrix, like as in the movie The Matrix, that we are plugged into this holographic projection, this simulation, then you've actually already won a lot of the fight against the systems that were designed to enslave us. But there is another step, because there are a lot of people out there who understand that there is a matrix, and I believe it is a false matrix, but unfortunately they are still allowing themselves to be at the mercy of the matrix because they are reactive to what is going on in the world. So there's a lot of chaos going on in the world at the moment. And there are those who are reactive to what's going on, and there are those who are observing without emotional attachment to what's going on. Now, if you are getting drawn into the drama, then you are still at the mercy of the matrix, even if you know it exists, because you cannot control what is going on out there. And what is going on is a collapse of the old paradigms. So no matter what your opinion, it has no consequence or no influence on how this will unfold. So if you are investing lots of mental and emotional energy in fighting on one side or the other, or you're getting all upset about who's doing what, then you're still at the mercy of the matrix. Stop it. Just stop it. Because this collapse that is happening in real time is actually a part of the Great Awakening. It's a part of the birthing of the New Earth paradigm. And you cannot stop that, and you cannot interfere with that. So the only thing that you are affecting is you. If you're getting upset, if you're getting caught in the drama, it's only influencing and affecting you. And that means that you are at the mercy of what is going on in the world, and you are being dragged along with it. So take a step back. Master your state of being and understand that the only world that you need to actually take control of is yours. And the number one thing that you need to do to escape the matrix is to decide. That's it. Decide. Everything is a choice. Everything is a decision. So when you decide that you are no longer at the mercy of the matrix, you will show up differently, you will think differently, you will make different decisions, you will take different actions. And remember, this entire earthly existence is a holographic projection. It is all energy, frequency, and vibration, and it is all as a consequence of your focus and intent. So the experience that you have, yes, life is going on out there. Your experience of this life is what you have control over. And as you focus your energy and your intention, you cause life to actually unfold from a conscious focus point. Okay, let me explain that to you. So, as you know, everything is energy, frequency, and vibration. And what you focus on comes into being, maybe not immediately, but your dominant focus causes life to actually be created. You are the creator of your life. You are the creator of your experience. So if you are focusing on the drama, then you're just going to get more drama. You can observe it, and it's important that we have an awareness of what is going on in the world, but don't make it your primary focus. Focus on what it is that you want to create, because you get what you focus on most of the time. Meaning, whatever you are focusing on most of the time is what you're going to get. So if you're focusing on lack and scarcity, you'll get more of that. If you're focusing on wealth and abundance, you'll get more of that. And remember, it's not just your conscious focus, but also your unconscious focus. The limiting beliefs, the fears, the doubts, the subconscious programming that's going on back in here without you even recognizing it. That is why I am so passionate about doing EFT tapping and giving you EFT tapping videos to rewire your brain, to shift your focus, to become more empowered. So if you want to escape the matrix, decide. Decide that you are no longer at the mercy of the matrix. You are no longer at the mercy of the systems that have been co-opted and created deliberately to keep us disempowered and enslaved. Decide that you're going to show up with a can-do, no matter what, whatever it takes kind of attitude. Decide that you're going to put together a plan to be able to create the life that you desire. Decide what you want. Do you see how all these decisions actually get you the result that you want or that you don't want? Every single decision contributes to the ultimate result. It's like a recipe, okay? And if you think of Abraham Hicks, she goes, well, if you don't want it in your pie, don't put it in your pie. Very bad accent, but you get my point. So if you do not want chaos, lack, scarcity in your pie, don't put it in your pie. Don't focus on it. Don't add it to the recipe. What is it that you want? Focus on that religiously. Train yourself to be vigilant about what you're focusing on and elevate your state of being. So if this has landed for you, then do me a favor, like and subscribe and comment below. Let me know what your biggest takeaway is from this. And if you would like help mastering these concepts and deciding on how you are going to create your life moving forward, then register for my free Wealth by Design workshop. The link is in the description below. It's totally free. I will take you through a framework to be able to create a strategic action plan to create your life and your wealth by design moving forward. Don't miss it. It's totally free. It's going to be a game changer. And if you want an EFT tapping video that's going to help you to rewire your brain for money, wealth, and abundance, check this one out. This is about saying yes to wealth, abundance, and freedom. It's absolutely going to rock your world. You can check it out here.